everyone and welcome back to Facts Art Gallery. So today's video thought came in when I was arranging my desk and I realized that I have made multiple videos on drawing tools, but one of the important tool I forgot. Yes, that's drawing papers. So today I'm going to talk all about drawing papers, what I use and what different types of drawing papers are. So let's get started. Before we start, in case if you like my content and have not yet subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notification. Now let's jump into the video. So first of all, we are talking about print paper. Print papers are very thin paper and good for quick sketch or practice, and these are inexpensive. That's why you can easily use it for your day-to-day practice, but these are not very good for long-term or final drawings. So because this is very thin and can not stay for longer, so good for practice, you can try that out. Now let's talk about drawing paper. This is where the things start getting exciting. So as you can see, this I have purchased as a drawing book, which is a drawing paper also from the brand Classmate, and these are actually heavier and textured, and these are very good for the beginners. This provide very sturdy surface for a range of media, so you can do drawings. This is the one which I have taken. This is for the beginners and it is not like very durable for the water medium or the wet medium, but it is quite good. And here as you can see, I have started all my practice using this drawing book. So if you are starting your drawing journey, you can definitely purchase this sort of a drawing book and you can get started with it. As you can see, the thickness of this paper is quite good. So in case if you are using charcoal or if you are using multiple layers of sketching, graphite or the charcoal, it will not go to the next layer. It will not bleed basically. So that's why this is quite good for a beginner and one can use it. So now the next one is sketchbooks or the sketch paper. Sketch paper is basically a next level type of drawing media, and it's slightly heavier and textured, and these are available in different weights. Now when I talk about weights, basically for any paper the weight is measured in the form of GSM. So what is GSM? GSM basically stands for grams per square meter. It is a measure of the weight and thickness of the paper. Essentially it tells you how much a square meter of the paper weighs. The higher the GSM the number, the heavier the paper weight is and thicker the paper is. So now let's talk about a versatile and popular choice among artists, that is cartridge paper. But what is exactly the cartridge paper and why so many artists love it? So the cartridge paper is high quality thick paper. Originally it was designed for use in the printing cartridge, but over the period of time artists has discovered its excellent properties and started drawing and sketching, and it has become very quickly famous in the art world. So cartridge papers are basically smooth textured and its durability is quite good as it is thick in nature, and it is very versatile. It is suitable for all the mediums like graphite, charcoal, colored pencils, etc. As you can see, I have drawn this particular drawing in the cartridge paper only, the one which I showed you. So next in the line is a Bristol paper, my favorite. Bristol paper is known for its smooth polished surface, and it is available in two types. It is ultra smooth and vellum. I have this ultra smooth one. Smooth Bristol paper is fantastic for pen and ink media, detailed graphite work and marker illustrations. Vellum Bristol paper has slight texture and which makes it suitable for colored pencil, pastels and charcoal. But I like the smooth one only, and as you can see, this charcoal pencil drawing I have done on the Bristol smooth paper. For those who love working with wet media, watercolor paper is your best friend. It's thicker and more absorbent, designed to handle the heavy washes. I have this Bristol watercolor paper, and though I have not used much, but you can see that it has a lot of texture. There are different textures like hot pressed and the cold pressed. Medium textures are available and rough textures are available. You can choose based on what is suitable for you. Next in the line is tone paper. Sometimes they are also called as specialty paper. Now, this tone paper is great for adding depth and highlighting to your drawings. Rice paper is also one type of tone paper or specialty paper which is ideal for calligraphy and the brushwork. So, tone paper is something which I am loving nowadays and I am doing multiple drawings on this. So, this is the one which I have got recently, which has 4 different types of tone paper. And as you can see, I have drawn multiple 3D sketch here and there on this, and I'm trying out, and this is really amazing. I am really loving it drawing on these stone paper. Apart from these, there is another type of paper called multimedia paper, which I have not personally used, but what I know about is it is good for the combined media. It is suitable for dry and wet medium both. So in case if you are trying out that option, you can definitely go for the multimedia. So that's all about today's video. I hope you like it and you got to know something about drawing papers, what to choose, what not to choose as a beginner. So that's all for today's video. Keep drawing and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.